So we've worked really hard on developing our synthetic turf range to make it look as natural as possible. To do this, we've used an ultra matte fibre, which means that it's incredibly low sheen. Additionally, we've introduced even more brown fibres into the turf so that you get that super natural aesthetic. So we've got a selection of turfs that cater for the residential through to the commercial market, depending on whether you want a super ultra plush fine turf for say residential applications, or you want a really firm structure for commercial applications. So you can install the turf either on our quick build framing system or onto a natural ground using compacted sand or gravel. You can order samples through our website, or you can look at our projects page and you can see the different ranges of turfs that have been used on various projects there.